Good morning, guys. So today I'm going to show you guys how to install a taser. In this case, my car is a 2014 Charger RT. I currently have it right here if you could see it. It's from Z Automotive. Before buying this, I did research and, I couldn't really find any videos or any of the videos that I wanted. So I thought I'd make my own. Just to show you guys, a little bit of how it's supposed to be installed. It's really basic. It's really easy. You just gotta know, how it works. So what you do is you just grab the taser, all right? You put it in the OBD2 system, which I'll show you guys. All right, so the OBD2 system, here's the taser. Gonna focus. Okay, the taser. You put it down where the e-brake is. It's actually it's located, I don't know if you can see it, right let's see, right there. So you just plug it in. Sorry. There, you plug it in and it should start blinking, but because it's daylight right now, it's not going to blink. And I do apologize for that noise. So here's my car, got the big, I think it's an 8.4. It's pretty basic. And the only reason I ended up getting this car is because it has cloth. And I don't like leather, which is why I got this model. Otherwise, I would have gladly gotten a leather one, but it's just not my thing. It currently has 14,711 miles. So once you install the taser or you put it in the OBD2 system, you're going to want to turn the car into, so there's 3 different settings, okay? There's 3 different settings. All right, guys, since I said there was 3 different options, you have your off button, you have your ACC, and then you have your run. You're gonna want to have it at your run the whole time we're doing this. So basically what it is once you have it in run, you basically go up here and it's normal for those lights to show. You're gonna want to press back all the way until you're at your main menu. You're gonna want to go all the way up to where it says fuel economy, and then from there you're gonna hold back throughout the whole process. You're going to hold it, and then you're going to press, see how this works with one hand. And you're going to press cancel. So you got to hold back while you're holding cancel. And it should pop up. Sorry, it's just my fingers aren't big enough. Let's see. All right then, guys, so once you actually have it, like I said, you're gonna hold back until you get to your main menu. You're gonna go all the way to the top where it says Bluetooth, or if you're playing the radio, it's gonna say FM. But I'd rather just have it there where where the player. So you hold back while you press cancel. And it's gonna give you, see, it's gonna start giving you options. You want to cure the CLS, you don't want to do that. You're gonna hold back the whole time while you're pressing cancel. All right, so you're holding back, unmarry. We don't want to unmarry. You press cancel. Then if you have a 5-speed, you're gonna go ahead and just hold back and then put your off and on button. So while you're holding back, you're gonna push on, and then it'll activate the 5-speed sport mode, and then you go. So once you select if you do have a 5-speed, and then once you select it, you're gonna again hold back and then press cancel, and that should get you over to the 8-speed. It just usually takes its time. So hold back and then press cancel. Okay, so 8-speed, and then if you have an 8-speed, then you want to say yes. And like again, the way you do that is by holding back and then pressing the on button for your cruise control. So since I don't have an 8-speed, I'm gonna it's already at no. Again, I hold back while I press cancel, and that should get me over to the next one. Do I want the SRT pages? Yes. So like I said, how you do that is you hold the back button and then you press the on button, and that should change it from no to yes. No, sometimes takes a little bit longer. I'm not too sure why. but as of right now, you know, it's at yes because the SRT pages. And then you hold back and then you press cancel to get onto your next option. Let's see. So perf set, you know, I'm not too sure what that is, but I did yes. Next, you could put no if you want. Paddles, I don't have paddles, so I just put no on that. And then, like, again, you hold the back while you press cancel to change pages. So I put premium on that. Hold back, press cancel, get you over to the next screen. Come on, let's go. Okay, it's gonna tell you what your front tire pressure is. It's gonna give you your back tire pressure. From there, tire circle, which I'm guessing it's how many times the tires have spin, sorry. And then is it cammed? No, I don't have it cammed. Let's see. So again, you're gonna be holding back while you press cancel. And it is gonna take a little bit. You know, it's just sometimes it's really good at responding, and other times it's not. So look, there's it's on, like I said, just hold back, cancel, and DLR dropped. I put no on that, and type USA, and then do you want your light show to have it as to activate your high beams as well? I put yes. Fog lights, yes. Let's see. Like I said, you want to be holding back the whole time while you're pressing cancel to cycle through the options. Okay, let's see. I'm sorry, it sometimes works on the first time. Other times you gotta be pressing it for it to work. Okay, fog drop, yes. I put yes on that. Belting, yes. Let's see, and then it gives you the taser that it has. And then you want to, once it says full reboot, then that's when you want to go ahead, hold the back button, and press the on. Do it. Press the on button. Let it go, and it should do a restart to your Uconnect. And once it does a restart to your Uconnect, you're going to be able to have the SRT pages. You just basically, you know, just accept it, and there's the SRT pages. It's right here. And then, you know, you have your different options. You got them already. No engine 2. You know, all this that you got. And then you have different options to customize the background of your car. You know, you have different car colors. I currently have mine on black just because it looks, you know, pretty cool. So yeah, and then you have that. And then the way you do the light show, it's basically the same thing. You just gotta be cycling through the options until it gives you light show. And once it gives you that option, then you're, like I said, you're gonna hold back and you're gonna hold on. And every time you want, so there's 6 different options. Come on, so it's resetting, guys. So once you have the 6th, so the taser itself comes with 6 different options. You hold the back button until you get to the light show, and then you hold back, and then you put the cruise control on. And if you want to keep changing it through the cycles, you gotta push back, hold it, and then press the on. And there's 6 different ones. So once you do that, that's basically all it is. It's really basic. If you guys want to go ahead and share this video, because I do understand that there's not a lot of videos that make it so simple. So yeah, guys, thanks.